With the new normal, a lot of people have already transitioned or are transitioning working from home and even learning online. With that said, there has been an increase in demand for PCs. Now, for those of you who are looking for a PC for your online work or learning, should you consider buying a mini PC like the Intel NUC? Let's find out. Hello once again everyone, it is Jello here, and today we are going to take a look at the Intel NUC mini PC. But before we get into the details, I'd like to give a huge shout out to Joy Marketing for providing us with a sample. For this specific model of the NUC, this still has an Intel i5 8th generation processor, but there are already 10th generation processors available for the NUC. Now this is a bare bones kit, so you'd have to buy an SSD or a hard drive and some memory modules separately. If you already have those, you can gain access to the insides by unscrewing the 4 screws at the bottom. You can either install a 2.5 SSD or HDD. You can also install an M.2 drive. You can also install up to 32GB of DDR4 memory. Unfortunately, I couldn't test the performance because I don't have spare DDR SODIMM modules with me. However, I am confident to say that this is more than enough for basic tasks such as working with Word documents, spreadsheets, making simple presentations, browsing, and also for your online meetings. So why would you buy something like the Intel NUC? For me, the biggest advantage would be its size. It's small and it doesn't take up a lot of desk space. You can also mount it on the back of your monitor using the mounting plate which comes with a kit, granting that your monitor has VESA mounts. So if you want to save up some desk space, the Intel NUC might be right for you. Now, why would you not want to buy something like the Intel NUC? Well, number one is you can upgrade the CPU. So that means you're stuck with whatever processor you have until you decide to buy a higher-end model of the NUC. Number two, it does come with a premium price. This specific model is priced somewhere around 20,000 pesos depending on the retailer, and that is just the bare bones kit, which means that the cost will be higher when you get storage and RAM. Now for you gamers out there who are watching this, maybe you're asking if it's possible to play games with the Intel NUC. Well, yes. If your NUC has a Thunderbolt 3 port, you can get an external GPU dock like the Razer Core X, Gigabyte's Aorus gaming box, and the ROG X-Station from Asus, and other docks that use Thunderbolt. So what do you think about the Intel NUC? Let us know in the comments below. So like this video if you like it, subscribe if you haven't yet so you won't miss any updates. And that is it for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.